Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to use Kraken's trading bots in 2025. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump into it. The first step is going to be to log into your Kraken account. So go ahead and log into your Kraken account on Kraken's website using your email address and your password. And once you're logged in, you're going to navigate to the trading page by clicking on the trade tab. Next, you're going to select the cryptocurrency pair that you want to trade with the bot. So go ahead and select that from the list of available cryptocurrency pairs. And then you're going to choose the trading bot strategy, such as, a simple moving average crossover or whatever. And then you're going to set the bot parameters, such as the trading amount and risk management settings. So set that according to your preference. And once that's done, enable the trading bots to start automated trading, and you can always monitor the bot's performance to ensure that it's trading as expected. That's pretty much it on how to use Kraken's trading bots in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in